For decades, aircraft carriers have ruled the waves. These floating fortresses project American power across the globe. But the seas are changing, new threats are emerging, challenging the dominance of carriers like never before. Among these threats, the Russian Oreshnik hypersonic missile system stands out. The Oreshnik, meaning nutcracker in Russian, is a fearsome weapon. It's designed to destroy large surface ships, especially aircraft carriers. What makes it so dangerous? Firstly, its speed. The Oreshnik travels at hypersonic speeds many times faster than the speed of sound. This makes it incredibly difficult to intercept. Secondly, its range. The Oreshnik can strike targets hundreds, even thousands of miles away. This means carriers are vulnerable even at a distance. The emergence of missiles like the Oreshnik has sparked serious debate. Military analysts, strategists, and policymakers are asking tough questions. Can aircraft carriers, once symbols of naval supremacy, survive in this new era of warfare? The answer, unfortunately, is not simple. Carriers have numerous vulnerabilities. One major concern is their size. Carriers are massive vessels, easy targets for long-range missiles. Their reliance on air power also poses a challenge. While carrier air wings are powerful, they face increasing risks from sophisticated air defenses and, of course, hypersonic missiles. Recent war games and simulations have exposed these vulnerabilities. In one highly publicized exercise, a simulated carrier strike group was decimated by a barrage of hypersonic missiles. The results sent shockwaves through the defense community, highlighting the urgent need for new strategies and technologies. The implications of these vulnerabilities are profound. The ability to project power globally is being challenged. The United States, for so long dominant at sea, now faces a more contested maritime environment. This has major implications for naval strategy. Reliance on aircraft carriers, a cornerstone of U.S. military might for decades, is being questioned. Some argue that carriers are obsolete. They believe that the future belongs to smaller, more agile platforms less vulnerable to missile attacks. Others maintain that carriers remain vital. They argue that their ability to launch and recover aircraft, providing unmatched firepower and flexibility, is irreplaceable. The debate is far from settled. What is clear is that the rise of hypersonic missiles and other advanced weapon systems has ushered in a new era of naval warfare. In this new era, adaptation is key. The U.S. Navy is not standing still. It is actively pursuing countermeasures to enhance the survivability of its carriers. One approach is to improve defenses. This includes developing new missile defense systems capable of intercepting hypersonic threats. It also involves upgrading existing systems to counter the speed and maneuverability of these advanced missiles. Another approach focuses on tactics and strategy. The Navy is exploring new ways to deploy carriers, utilizing stealth, deception, and dispersal to make them more difficult to target. This might involve operating carriers farther from contested areas, relying on long-range aircraft and drones to project power. Technological advancements are also crucial. The Navy is investing heavily in directed energy weapons such as lasers, which could provide a more effective defense against hypersonic missiles. Additionally, advancements in artificial intelligence and autonomous systems are being explored to enhance situational awareness and improve the speed of decision-making in combat. The future of aircraft carriers remains uncertain. One thing is for sure. In the face of evolving threats, adaptation is not an option, it's an imperative. The U.S. Navy must evolve its strategies, technologies, and tactics to maintain its edge in an increasingly complex and dangerous world.